Welcome back to part 3. Over here our focus would be the installation of ROS and other Turtlebot packages. Before we jump right into the installation, we would need to do a few things from last time's video. First, we need to make sure that Ubuntu is updated to the latest packages. For this, we need to open up a terminal using the key combination Ctrl Alt and T, and then we need to type in the following command. And then press enter. Then we type in the next command. Over here, make sure that you have the command dist upgrade. This would make sure that you're upgrading Ubuntu without actually updating to the next version of Ubuntu. Now the updates are complete. When you're running this set of commands for the first time, it might take more than a few minutes. The next step will be to install the ROS packages. First, we need to open up the ROS website in a window and keep that beside our terminal for ease of access of the commands. Do make sure that you're using the ROS Kinetic installation guide and not any other version of ROS. The first step that we need to do is not actually a command but rather a change in the system settings. We need to go to settings, appearance, behavior, and then press the enable workspaces. This would create 4 virtual desktops and we can distribute windows between them. The next thing we need to do is allow a few specific types of repositories to be downloaded. For this, you type in additional drivers, go into the window. Over here, click on the first tab, that is Ubuntu software, and then make sure that the first 4 options are all selected. Now we can proceed with the steps given over here. In 1.3, only run the first command. If you do experience any difficulties, then only you have to run the second command. In 1.4, we run the first command. Once that is done, we need to run the second command, that is desktop full install. Do make sure that you only run this command and not the other commands below it. Now that the lengthy installation process is complete, we can move on to step 1.5. In 1.5, we only run the first set of commands. This makes sure that all of the ROS packages are initialized whenever a new terminal is opened. In 1.6, we need to run all sets of commands. And with that, the ROS installation is complete. Now we can move on to the Turtlebot installation. Over here we need to scroll down to 1.2 debs installation and then just select the one command that is given there. Do make sure that you do not select the arrow when you're selecting the command. Now, before running this command, we need to make a few changes. First, replace all of the instances of Indigo with Kinetic as we're installing ROS Kinetic. Next, we need to remove the parts called Rocon, Remocon and Rocon Qt library. The final command should look like this. Once our slightly lengthy command finishes executing, we're done with the Turtlebot installation also.